Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab E10 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the system. Now let's tap on About Tablet and find the build number. Let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and if you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about specifically about the developer options. So now we can go back and enter the developer options, which will appear in the system settings, and now scroll down just a little bit to find this automatic system updates. Simply tap on the switcher, and from now on this option is active, which means that your device is allowed to play the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so your device will actually have a chance to apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.